Alright, hi everyone. Welcome to another episode of Slime Rancher. We are on episode 7 right now. I'm Spooky, and let's jump into it. So we are looking to find the Phosphor Gordo. And we're going to try really, really hard to not get sidetracked this time. So let's make sure everyone has food. That way we don't have to worry about the farm while we're gone. And then no distractions. Alright, I think I was growing food over here, right? Are you guys staying in your house? Somehow. Alright. Did I already fill everything up? Let's see here. Do you guys have food? Okay. Do you guys also have food? Kind of. Okay, well, we'll give these guys some carrots. These guys some onions and some carrots. They've got pogo fruit still in there. The chickens are doing wonderfully. Okay, let's go find a bunch of pogo fruit, and then we're going to track down this phosphor tabby. Phosphor Gordo? Gordo. The really big one. Alright, so I know it's somewhere out on that coastline, but it is no use for us to go over there without some food first. So let's find as much fruit as we can. This bigger stamina bar is already just incredibly nice. I bet I could find at least some Q berries over here. Yeah, I think phosphorus like those the best. Speaking of, hi, you're probably gonna die in the sunlight. Good luck. Well, they don't die, they just go not here, right? Yeah, not here. Oh, we got mail too. But we're not getting sidetracked. We are finding that Phosphor Gordo. Okay, there's no fruit here yet. How? Oh, there's some fruit. Have we been able to go over here before? Oh, that was close. Okay, glad that worked. Alright, this is looking pretty cool. Lots of mushrooms. And they've got some fruit for me. I don't have any room for you chickens, I'm sorry. Wow. I don't remember this area, like, at all. Is there anything important here? Doesn't seem like it. Well, let's go look over here, I guess. Angry slimes. Where? Oh, probably this way. Oh, hi! Please don't eat me. Oh, it's a honey hunter, though. It's so cute! It's cute from over here. Stop dying. No. Whoa. Okay. Ow. Hello. That is so many honey hunters. Cutting it close on the jetpack again. Ah, I really need to pay more attention. Where does this go? Where are we? Well, we got some more fruit. And even more fruit. Where the heck? Oh, we're up above, kind of the end of the jungle run. I had no idea. Am I supposed to be up here? I mean, like, clearly there's a walkway, right? Yeah, I don't see much else to do. Okay, well, we are pretty well armed with fruit, and this is a perfect jump back to the farm. And right when the mint mango sprouted, that's perfect. Okay, with this many fruits, we have a good shot of maybe getting it on the first try. Okay, yeah, this is looking pretty suspicious already. Down here? Have we checked here yet? No? Yes, we have. Ah, shoot. I swear it's somewhere along this cliff line. It's not that way. Do you know? I don't think he knows. Okay, what if it's farther... Yeah, maybe it's right here. There's a walkway. There's a door. There he is! Okay. Yeah, eat up. I'm not feeding you for nefarious reasons. I just want to see you happy. Exploding with happiness. And nothing else happened over there. What is that? A lucky ornament? That is adorable! And we got our key. Okay, perfect. Okay. Wait, this is the area with the scary slime. I've totally been over here before. Ah. Okay, important thing is we found it. Hey, can you stop murdering people, please? Yeah. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Alright, well, cool. Let's see. We'll put this right here. And then this one goes... I think they'd like this. Whoops. Right there? Sure, that looks good. Some mangoes. Okay. So we have got some progress here, and we are ready to go farther, but I think I actually kind of want to settle things on the farm a little bit more, because as of right now it is just kind of chaos. So step one is we need some money for that. Are you guys having fun with that in there? Is it breaking? I'm gonna assume that's you having fun and not you eating glass. Whoa, we have that many crystals in there? And it's like overflowing. Yeah, we're gonna be rich. Ow, thank you. Thank you for the love explosion. Alright. My guess is we're gonna go up to 3,000? 3,000 seems like a good number. Oh, wow. We made it to 4,000. Nice. Okay. So first and foremost, let's reinvest in myself. I still don't think I need the water tank. The jetpack will be nice so that we're not flying off cliffs quite as haphazardly. And then I bet with this much money we could totally... Wow, you guys kind of live in a dumpy cage. Let's get you those nice things, huh? Sure, double click for me, mouse. I didn't want to not spend my money that way. And yeah, let's... Right, yes. Already have those. Okay. Look at all that money. Heck yeah. Okay. Let's... Yeah, we've got the grotto. Let's buy the... There's like a science farm, I think, right? Yeah, the lab... Oh, wow. 10,000? Okay, we'll come back to that. Can we buy the... There's like a dock over here. Oh. There we are. Okay. Yikes, that's expensive too. Okay. Well, I think at the very least we could afford the pier. And then we'll kind of go from there. Let's go grab some more crystal poop. That is the money maker. There's some good money. Yeah, and as you can see, the ones we've been selling a lot, they're kind of going down. Yeah. Which is unfortunate, but that's okay. Do I... What do I feed you guys? Is there food in here? I guess I feed you this. Okay. Well, I think this would be a great room for maybe our quantum slimes right here. And then why don't we move our phosphor slimes in here so, you know, they can be a little bit more comfortable. And maybe not quantum slimes, because they're kind of all into things and they need to be by themselves. So it could be the crystal slimes and the phosphors in here. That might not be a bad idea. Alright, that's already a pretty ritzy enclosure. And oh, I don't think we have food generation for the phosphors yet. But let's work on moving these guys. Are there still Q-berries in here? No. That is okay. Welcome to your new house. You're too chunky. Okay. New house. One at a time. But you can't say no to a face like that. I mean, look at that. Look at that. It's just too cute. Alright, come with me. Okay. Come on. Alright, let's turn the mouse sensitivity up. Can we 360 throw him in here? Hello? Yeah, he went in. Alright. Only a little very chubby friend. I wish I could give them more than, like, a lamp. feel like that's kind of expected, right? Like, you're gonna lock me in a box, at least give me a lamp, but, you know, a sofa or something. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh, my hand tracking's kind of picking up. So I'm using keyboard controls in case you guys are wondering. So you're just kind of seeing my hands resting on the keyboard right now. I didn't notice that. It's only showing up sometimes. I'm still hashing this stuff out. It's really, really cool, but I'm very much a novice in using it. I'm sure it's capable of much more than showing me slapping my keyboard. Okay, here's your guys' lamp. And I think you guys like Q-berries, right? Yeah, it's a Q-berry. So we will grow that for you in the green area. But for now, you'll have to survive off Pogo Fruit, because that's what we got. Sorry kids, Pogo Fruit for dinner again. You know how it is. Okay. We're very gently gonna move the stabby babies. Come here, stabby children. Yes, yes, jump into my pocket. Very gently. Ow. Ah! That's a bad stabby baby. Come closer. Yep, almost. There we go. Alright, that went about as well as I would expect that to. Welcome to your new home. You guys look kind of hungry. Do I have any... I should. Let's see here. Yeah. I kind of wish there's like an auto collector, but... I don't... Maybe there is. I don't know. That noise is so cute. I can't handle it when they make that noise. It's just... I just want to pet them. Did I not buy an auto... I bought the solar shield. Well, sure. Yes, shower them with onions. It's kind of lonely in there now. Yeah. Oh, I think you guys are the ones that like the mint mangoes, right? Yeah, okay. Well, ow. Let's bring you over here. And then, from what I saw in the comment section, to get the firework achievement, he has to be like right about to explode. Like this, and then you... Ow. Okay, hold on. We will play with this. Where's one that's getting ready to explode? Here we go. Like that? Oh. Okay. You, explode. Or, hello? You. Right there. Explode for me. Think explosive thoughts. Please? Oh! Did that work? I'll catch you! Safe and sound. Okay. I'm gonna call that a win. We probably did it. I have no idea why you would recommend to me a health upgrade after I'm probably losing all of my blood right now. Okay, these guys need, like, moderate feeding. You guys look pretty happy. I think I'm gonna leave the quantum slimes where they are. But we ended up spending the money for the pier, so that's okay for now. Grab some more fruit for them. Collect some more friends. I can hear you, chickens. My chicken sense is tingling. Yes, to me, my chickens. That's a lemon. I heard that. Where are you? You cannot hide from me, chicken. That is so nice. You don't have to have another tree now. Because yeah, phase lemons used to be the worst. Because you have to throw the pogo fruit in there, like you do in the like the temple area. So, oh, that's a speedy chicken. Come here. I'm taking you to your friends. Just come with me. Alright. This is working as intended, in case you're wondering. Oh, I love how they like roll around when you run through it. It's like a ball pit, but chickens. Okay. The farm looks more or less sorted out now. So let's, man, you guys, I should probably just put an auto feeder. I have an auto feeder on here. What am I doing? Okay. And you guys get turtle feeding because there's like 3 of you. Well, we probably should empty these out. I guess I started to. Huh. Okay. Did I save any Q-berries? No, I did not. Oh, I think those are saber plorts. Don't worry, here you go, here you go. Okay, I don't think we need to do too much for Ogden right now. Let's read mail first. That's Casey. Alright. Grab some water here. Okay. New Year's Eve from Casey. Hi, Bia. Do you remember New Year's Eve when we were looking for that party? While we were wandering around the city lost, I got my bearings and didn't tell you because I knew we were close to that coffee shop run by the tyrant. And since it was starting to rain, I thought it would be really romantic to stumble across the place again. I guess I finally found the courage. But the coffee shop went out of business and it was a taco place now. So we ate tacos in the rain and it was just the best thing. We were on the roof of your old apartment hoping to see the fireworks. I was going to tell you something, but then that's when you told me about Africa. It sounded like an amazing trip. I was really happy you were doing what you love to do. From Casey. Ah. Hello, hands. Okay, well, no comment on that really. Cool. Alright, I think we have some semblance of order on the farm now. So let's go. Let me check. Where are we on time right now? Okay, so looks like we are actually right at the 30-minute mark. So sorry to disappoint, but I figure we got a pretty decent amount done today. So we'll go ahead and call it here. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, I'll see you next time. So we are still sticking strong with our schedule of Monday is for the roguelike series and Thursday is for Slime Rancher currently. I have started a little bit more work than I've been taking on in the past, so things are a little hectic, but I will do my best to not let that affect recording times. So have a great rest of your week, everyone, and we'll see you next time. Bye!